Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have a one camera hikvision network camera. My client forget this password, and now I will teach you how to reset this password. First of all, this is a network camera. I will connect the RJ45 and I will connect the 2 ampere adapter from supply. Okay, now this is a backside, and now first of all you look here hikvision network camera. This is a QR code and the number of model DS2CD2T4GOP1. And now you are looking to here inside of this screw micro SD memory card and reset button. First of all, I need the one screwdriver star. This is a special screwdriver when you buy this camera, and he will give you the key. And I will after I will put the inside this part. And now you are looking to here, the first one column is the SSD card, and second one you look here the reset. Inside of a reset button, I will press for 10 seconds. I have a one small screwdriver and I will put here reset button. Look here, I will press for 10 seconds and I will connect the power. Look, this one, this is adapter 2 ampere. Okay, I will connect the power. Okay, now I have connected the one power, and now I will press this one. This is a reset button. Okay, now I will press for 30 seconds, and now you are looking to here he will give the one beep after 10 seconds, and he will give the here two lights, infrared lights. Amazing. When I will you will press this button for 10 seconds, he will give the beep, little bit beep. After now it is a reset. It's a done.